Welcome to Kryptonite. Today we are going to discuss regarding an event called Traders Treasures in Huobi Global Platform. So in this event, we have a chance to win daily airdrops and grand prizes. So let us dive straight into it. So here we are in the Huobi Global website. Let us go directly to the event. Traders Treasures Round 4. So here you can see that the grand spin unlocks in 5 days. Here is our progress towards the grand spin. Here are the list of airdrops that we can win. It can be a point card, TRX token, YGG, RAD token, SHIB, ADA, and DFA. Here you can see the list of users that are winning the airdrops. This side will show the list of prizes that we have won till now. Here is our option to log in. And right here, it will show the amount of USDT that we have to trade in order to win a spin. So here are the rules and terms and conditions. So we have to make at least a minimum trade of 100 USDT to earn one spin. To earn the second spin of the day, we have to make a trade between 1000 USDT and 10,000 USDT. And to get the third spin of the day, we have to trade beyond 10,000 USDT. We can get maximum of 3 spins a day. Participants who have spun the wheel at least 10 times will be able to participate in the Wheel of Fortune on September 21st. Wheel of Fortune contains GoPro, iPhone 12 Pro, and DJI Phantom. The event is from September 15th till 21st of September. The grand prize will be delivered within 14 working days after the event ends. Here are the basic FAQ questions. Details like what is a point card, what is a treasure chest. Let's go through it to get an understanding. So all we have to do is make a trade of both buy and sell orders of at least 100 USDT, and we can earn one spin for that. You can see here I have got one spin after making a 100 USDT trade. I just click on spin here and randomly I got 50,000 ships. So make the most of it trading from September 15th till 20th so that you can earn free airdrops. And that's it.